Morning, guys. This week we're going to be reading a story called Rosa and Blanca. When you're done with this lesson, you're going to hop over to Google Sites and listen to this story. In this unit, we've talked a lot about what does it mean to be creative. You could share that with your family, some ideas that you think are creative. This week's question is, when does a creative idea lead to a surprise? And I was thinking in our last story when we read about the volcano and the surprise might have been like, what exactly happens when you put baking soda and vinegar into that volcano? Did you expect the way it was going to erupt? Think of some ideas that could lead to a surprise or an unexpected ending. We're going to skip this part. So amazing words. Some of the words that you'll see this week in our story, the first one is abundant, 3 syllables, abundant. Abundant means to have more than enough. We found an abundant supply of wood for the campfire. Assist, assist. I'm not sure I would have broken that word apart like that, but that's okay. If you assist somebody, you help them do something. Oh, look at that guy helping out that little kid. Our teachers like us to assist her with putting art materials in the cupboard. Usually you guys assist me with being material managers. Generous, us, 3 syllables. A person who is unselfish or shares with other people. It was generous of you to give me vegetables from your garden. Awesome. Next thing up, you're going to go grab your black writing folder and come on back over here. You should pause the video once all of the words are up on the screen so that you can write them into your black notebook. So here come your words this week. Alone. Buy, like to purchase something. Daughters. My mom has 2 daughters. Half. I will take half of your candy if you're willing to share. Many. How many of you are enjoying remote learning? There. It belongs to them. T-H-E-I-R, belongs to them. And youngest. I am the youngest daughter in my family. Please press pause and write these words into your journals. Oops, that wasn't supposed to happen. Sorry about that. So take a look at this picture and find some words that have the long I sound. Like I can see night, night. If you would like to pause the video as you look through these, that would be fine with me. This week we are learning about verbs. You should know all about verbs. A verb is a word, it's an action word. If you can do it, then you do it. If you do it, it's a verb. Once you're done with this, you can go on to our Google site and you can be your own DJ. If you go to the tab that says Songs for Learning, I put in every single reading song that's in that YouTube folder that's on the desktop on our computer for both reading and math. What? So you get to be your own DJ. Check out some of those videos on verbs. So a verb can happen in the present and it can happen in the past. It could also happen in the future. Remember, a verb is what you can do. I'm going to skip through some of this stuff. Perfect. That's all you need to do for right now. That's the end of the slideshow. So what you're going to do is you're going to hop on over to Google Sites and listen to this story on Rosa and Blanca. Be prepared for some additional information.